Did y'all know DSW sell Gucci? Because I didn't. Hello YouTube, my name is Jas. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna let y'all in on something that I just found out. Did y'all know DSW sell Gucci? Because I didn't. Y'all, I was scrolling on their website and then I saw they had Gucci shoes on there and I was like, bro, you kidding me? They got Gucci on here? And I was able to snag me something that I have been looking at for a long time. So y'all, the package is here and I'm finna show it to you. So you see, it's from DSW and I cannot wait to unbox it for y'all. So if you are interested in seeing how luxury comes from DSW, then just keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so y'all see it, it says DSW. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And we're gonna be unboxing this together because I haven't done it yet. Hopefully everything is okay. Here we go, y'all. Okay, so it comes like this. So I guess this is a protective kind of covering over it. All right, let's get this off. Oh my gosh, they sent it with the box and everything. I don't know why I wasn't expecting it to come with the box, but y'all see it says Gucci and it has my size, which I wear size 7. So here we go. Okay. Do it like this. So you see the shoes. So it's actually packaged really well. Here's the shoes. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, they sent the dust bag. Well, dust bags. What else? That's it. So, if y'all haven't seen my Gucci collection video, I've told y'all that I am in love with the Marmont line that they have. And so these are actually the Gucci Marmont Sandals. Y'all, I just have been looking for these sandals for so long, but I did not want to pay $520 for them. And so when I saw them on DSW for like, I think it was $300, I was like, oh yeah, I'm cop, got them. But y'all, they are absolutely gorgeous. Do you see? And here is the bottom. You see it has 37. Y'all, I am so happy with this purchase. So happy with this purchase. I don't know, I guess for some reason I was thinking that since it came for DSW that it wasn't gonna have the dust bag or that it wasn't gonna have the box. I'm just pleasantly surprised. I really am. But I'm in love with these. This is a very good purchase. And y'all, so this is what I got. So I really hope y'all enjoyed that unboxing. I will be honest with you, I think DSW is a great alternative to people who don't have access to Gucci outlet stores like me. I know that they're not gonna have anything current at the DSW. They're probably gonna have anything that's like out of season and stuff that would've went to Gucci outlet, but I don't care. I benefit from it going to DSW. Y'all, I'm just so happy that I was able to get these shoes. But I told y'all, when I buy my Gucci, I do not buy full price. I was not expecting it to come with a box, dust bag, or anything, and I don't know why. But I just thought that maybe since I got it from a discount store that it would be missing some of the key things that you would get from Gucci as if you bought it out of the boutique. But y'all, I hands down, best shopping experience from DSW ever. And y'all, this video is not sponsored. I wish they would sponsor me, but this video is not sponsored by any means. This is just my personal experience of shopping luxury with DSW. My only complaint about shopping Gucci on DSW is that everything sells out so fast. So you have to constantly refresh and check every day if you're looking for an item that could potentially sell out. Also, one thing that I noticed is that they were increasing prices the longer the item was sitting on the site. So what that means is, let's say something costs $200 when it was normally $600. If I kept just scrolling on the site and it's been like 3 weeks or 4 weeks, it'll be increasing by $50. It seemed like every 2 weeks. Now, I guess what I'm trying to say is, if you see something on DSW that you want and it's a price point that you can do, go ahead and snag it, because if you don't, one, it's gonna sell out, and two, if it doesn't sell out, then they're probably gonna start increasing the price. So that's just what I have to say about that. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something, so you don't miss something. And I will see y'all in my next video.